Hi, my name's Jennifer. I earned my PhD in immunology from Dartmouth College, along with a master's degree from King's College London and a bachelor's degree in biology from Nova Southeastern University. My background is in immunology and translational research, with a focus on how the immune system interacts with disease, particularly in cancer and inflammatory conditions. Since my PhD, I've worked in biotech, where I've been involved in evaluating and developing new therapeutic programs, as well as working closely with academic researchers and external collaborators. My primary research focus is in immunology, especially how the immune system responds in cancer and inflammatory diseases. A lot of my work has centered around the tumor microenvironment and how immune cells behave within those settings. I've worked on projects ranging from basic mechanistic research to more translational work aimed at the development of new therapies. I've also supervised and mentored students on projects involving experimental design, data analysis, and connecting their research to broad clinical or therapeutic questions. During my PhD and research training, I contributed to multiple research projects that led to publications and scientific presentations. I've presented work at conferences and collaborated across labs to advance our understanding of immune responses in disease. In more recent roles, I've also been involved in securing funding through grant applications and supporting early-stage biotech programs, which has been a different but rewarding extension of my research experience. I've had the opportunity to mentor students at different stages, including undergraduate and graduate researchers. Many of them have gone on to continue in scientific or healthcare-related fields, including graduate school, as well as dental schools and physician's assistant programs, as well as medical school. I focus on helping students build both technical skills and confidence in how they think about science, so they don't just leave with results, but with a strong foundation in scientific reasoning and communication. My approach is very individualized. I try to meet students where they are and tailor the experience to their goals and their level of experience. I also emphasize understanding the why behind what they're doing. It's not about just completing tasks, but really understanding the bigger picture and how their work fits into this larger scientific or clinical question. One of my biggest strengths is helping students break down complex concepts into something manageable and understandable. I'm also very supportive but structured. I help students stay organized and make progress while encouraging them to think independently and ask questions. I try to create an environment where they feel comfortable learning, making mistakes, and growing. We all know that the greatest lessons are learned when we make mistakes. I'm passionate about mentorship because research can feel overwhelming at first, and having the right guidance can completely change someone's experience. I really enjoy helping students gain confidence and realizing that they're capable of contributing to real scientific questions. It's incredibly rewarding to see that shift that you've played a role in their development.